Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the wireless adapter is on because Windows 7 can't scan networks without it. Open Device Manager or press the laptop's FN wireless key. You should see the network icon active in the system tray. Once done, click that icon to list visible SSIDs. This shows signal strength and security type, so you know which access point to pick. You need the SSID and password ready. Keeping them handy speeds the next steps and prevents repeated attempts. You now pick the right SSID from the list. Signal bars and security labels guide you. Click Connect and type the wireless key exactly. Case matters, then click OK. Choose Connect automatically if this is your permanent network. If the SSID is hidden, select Connect to a network and enter SSID, security type, and passphrase manually. Once authenticated, Windows negotiates encryption and assigns local settings. Wait for the connected status. Make sure you select Home or Work location when prompted to enable file sharing sensibly. You finish by confirming connectivity in Network and Sharing Center. Look for an IP4 address like 192, 168, X, and Internet access. If pages won't load, first disable and re-enable the wireless adapter or unplug the router for 30 seconds and power it back on. This clears common DHCP issues. Once done, run Windows Network Diagnostics for targeted errors and write down any error codes. If problems persist, make sure the SSID and passphrase are correct and that MAC filtering or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.